Hi guys and welcome back here to Drone Emotion. Today we're back here once again with a brand new video for all of you, and today we have probably the closest look we've had so far at the upcoming DJI Air 4/Air 3S. And in today's video we're going to be sharing with you the latest image that we just received from the Air 3S/Air 4, taking a look at it and revealing and talking about some very exciting information regarding what this new drone will be offering. But before we get started with today's video, if you're new to the channel, welcome here. And if you want to keep up to date with any upcoming DJI product, whether it is the Mavic 4, a brand new mini drone which is also in the works, and of course the Air 4, you already know this is the place to come for all of the latest updates and news. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive right into today's video, which will be quite exciting. And that is because today, thanks to our good friend DJI underscore ZDF on Twitter, he was the first one to share with you probably the best and closest look we've had so far at the latest and greatest next DJI drone, which by the way we still do not have a confirmed name just yet. We do not know if DJI is gonna be calling it the Air 4 or the Air 3S. That is still up in the air. However, this will definitely be the next Air generation drone. So on our last video we took a quick look at the first flight of the Air 3S Air 4, and it was a really good video. If you missed out on it, I highly suggest you go back in the channel and check it out. We do a full up close look at the first demo flight of the Air 3S. But today we have something a little different, and that is probably the best look we've gotten so far at the upcoming Air drone from DJI. So without any much further ado, I would like to go ahead and share with you guys. So I present to you the latest and greatest next DJI drone. So first thing that we see is the overall body and shape. We do see that the overall design is pretty much identical to what we used to have on the old DJI Air 3. However, we do see some slight differences on the main frame of the drone. We no longer see that DJI logo with those little lines running down the middle. We now see a much more smoother body. We do see the optical avoidance sensors are still in the same spot. The arms and the ESCs apparently now seem to be in this matte black color, and the overall color of the aircraft seems to be a little bit more darker. However, I don't know if it is the picture or if it is actually darker, but that is still to be seen. However, the most interesting thing is obviously the camera, which unfortunately we don't get the best look at it. However, on the front nose of the aircraft, we see some white tape covering the front part of it. And according to our good friend DJ CTF, this is an external 4G module, something we have not seen on any Air drone as of yet. However, we've seen it on the DJI Mavic 3 when it was first introduced, and it was a game changer since it allowed you to fly your drone and connect onto 5G bands. That was pretty insane, and the fact that DJI might be bringing that tech over to the Air 3S/Air 4 is something pretty exciting, at least if you ask me, and something that probably would definitely make me want to make the switch if I was an Air 3 owner over to an Air 3S or Air 4. Now, aside from that, we don't know anything new just yet. However, we do have specs coming probably in the next couple of days maximum. So if you want to be the first ones to know the official specs of the drone, the pricing and release date, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on those post notifications, since here in this channel you're going to be having it before anywhere else. So that info shouldn't be taking any much longer, but I just wanted to bring you guys a little update with the most recent stuff that we have, and that is it. This brand new image revealing that the Air 3s/Air 4 will be in fact packing a 4 or 5G model, something very exciting. But that is going to be it for today's video. Please let me know down your comments and opinions down below, but that is going to be it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you very soon with a brand new video. This is Drone Emotion signing out.